Well, look what we got here. Like another lawnmower engine. Ah, and of course it's not starting. And the person who owns this, it's not mine, so I can't blow it up. The person who owned this, I know them, kind of unfortunately, and it wasn't running and they wanted me to look at it. Of course, for free. And, well, you get what you pay for, so it might end up in a landfill. You never know. But either way, gotta get into the carburetor, which I think is up under here. Gotta take all these stupid screws off, which I think these are 5/16, and you got 3/8 on the carburetor. But either way, I won't bore you with screw removal, but I will give you a little bit of entertainment in the way of informative content. I don't know. Just check it out. And can you guess what this is about? Probably not, and if you did, I'd be a little concerned. But it is about pens. Now, when you let a pen sit for a little bit, obviously, it don't work too good. Now, I was told, or enlightened by my father, that if you just take a lighter or something and heat up the tip of this, it'll reinvigorate the ink inside and soften it up a little bit and it'll start working. And this one obviously needs a lot of help. So, I'm going to need a really big lighter. So, here's what we're going to do. I'm just going to heat her up a little bit. Just a little bit. You don't want to go too much. Running out of fuel. There we go. You don't want to go too far with it now. Just enough to get it burning. Or not burning, but melting a little bit. Just a little bit. I think that's about it. Oh, never mind all the flammable yard equipment that's around me. It's fine. Just set this out. Oh. There we go. And let's give this a couple seconds to cool, and then we'll try it out. That's good enough. Well, I mean, it's kind of an improvement. I don't know. You shouldn't try to learn anything from me. It's a mistake. Anyway, back to what we were doing. And we're back. And the carburetor's off. And I swear, engineers, they just switch it up just to mess people up. Because this thing wasn't held on by any screws. It was just friction fit in there. And these screws are 5/16. But these, like what, 9/32. I don't think I've ever used 9/32, but had it on this for some unknown reason. Look at the size of this gas tank. Like hardly holds anything in there. Anyway, is there anything even? There's a cup, a little bit. It's gonna get messy, but I don't care. This gas smells really old and horrible. So, oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's full. Okay, give me a second to get rid of all of that. And I'm back. Back to make another mess. As per usual. And there wasn't that much. Okay, this should be good to be disconnected. Hopefully gas doesn't just spurt out of the hose for no reason. Come on. There we go. Oh, give it up. Ah, shh. What did I say? Here, go sit in the corner. I'll open the carburetor up and I'll look in there. Be back. Oh yay, more 9/16ths for no reason. One more. Apparently we live on a racetrack. It don't matter how fast. There's no speed limit. Just a speed suggestion. I think nobody ever takes it. Well, how do you come off? Of course, it's not big enough. Is it just that stiff? Okay, that should be most of the gas. I don't care anymore. There we go. And I guess what? I wasn't. Or whatever. Surprisingly not as dirty in here as I figured it would be. The question is how do I get all this junk out? I hate plastic with a passion. Oh, somebody else. Oh, he's going slow. Well, screw it. I'll just get the compressor and blow it out. I don't feel like taking it all apart anyway. And it's fine. There's nothing wrong with it in there. It's not plugged or anything. The gas smells horrible, and if it was a metal carburetor, it probably would have started eroding, but it's these stupid plastic ones. So, like I said, there was nothing in there, so put it back together and see if we can get this piece of crap to start. Right, I just put it all back together, put in a little bit of not so fresh gas, and we'll see if it'll start up for me. go, your new forever home. Well, I guess that'll be it. Remember, as always, don't subscribe so you never see my content again. Make sure to leave this video with a fat dislike. How the heck did you find me? I'm a nobody with 1 subscriber. I don't know. I don't know why YouTube would recommend somebody like me. But anyway, leave it here. Make sure to have yourself a bad day and remain reckless.